डोली तेरे अंगना, सजना मेरी डोली तेरे अंगना.
The story of Meri Doli Tere Angna revolves around a simple girl, Simran Malhotra, who belongs to a very traditional Punjabi family. She has been brought up by her uncle and aunt. Simran chooses to go in for an arranged marriage with Ruhan Oberoi, a groom chosen by her uncle. Ruhan belongs to one of the most affluent families in the city. But Simran's life comes to a standstill when her husband, Ruhan, tells her on their wedding day that their wedding is a mistake and that he loves someone else.
मैं रूहान ओबरॉय इसी वक्त तुम्हें शादी से और पति पत्नी के पवित्र बंधन से हमेशा के लिए आजाद करता हूं.
This brings Simran at a crossroad where she can't go back to her own house, nor can she move ahead with Ruhan. Simran comes to know that Ruhan was in love with someone else whom he believed was dead, but has now come to know that she is still alive. But Simran, being the traditional Indian girl, decides to abide by her responsibilities as a wife, as a daughter, and as a daughter-in-law of a prestigious family. She decides to fight against the shadow from her husband's past and get her husband back. As the story moves ahead, Ruhan and Simran go to Goa on the pretext of their honeymoon. Ruhan is in Goa mainly to find his lost love, Suhana. Ruhan soon finds out that Suhana is married to someone else. He is shattered. But with Simran on his side, he soon moves on with his life. Soon enough, Ruhan and Simran develop a beautiful bond, and he accepts her as his wife. Simran meets a woman named Naina in the temple. Naina is in search of her lost husband. Seeing her in such a pitiful state, Simran hears out her life story and comforts her. Later, Simran and Naina become friends, and Simran promises Naina that she will find her husband soon. Simran invites Naina to her house for the Karwa Chauth celebrations. The story takes a shocking turn when Naina sees Ruhan. She claims that Ruhan is her husband, and Ruhan is shocked to see her, as she is no one else but his ex-girlfriend Suhana. The doctor claims that Naina is mentally unstable. Circumstances force Ruhan and Simran to accept Suhana in their lives until she is completely cured. Suhana forces herself on Ruhan.
क्या सोच रही हो? इस तरह तुम्हारा हाथ जल जाएगा.
मेरे हाथ को अपने हाथों में लेकर अगर तुम यूं ही मुझे बचाते रहे तो मुझे बार-बार जलना मंजूर है.
And this widens the gap between Ruhan and Simran. Soon it is revealed that Suhana is not ill and that it is all a major plan executed by Suhana, Sandhya, Ruhan's aunt, and Akash, Suhana's doctor, to get money out of the Oberois. Suhana now wants Simran out of her way. She gets her kidnapped and tries to kill her, but Ruhan comes in between and gets shot. Simran too, in an attempt to save Ruhan, gets hurt and dies. Ruhan's body falls off the cliff and drowns in the river. But fortunately, his body is spotted floating in the Shipra river and he is saved by a group of people. He is taken to the hospital where Dr. Vishal and Bhargav Shah, who is lovingly called Dadaji, take care of him. They realize that Ruhan has lost his memory. Dadaji brings Ruhan home and announces that he is his grandson Aman. Ruhan as Aman gets a new life and a new family. But flashes of the past keep haunting him. Ruhan meets Sargam, a beautiful village girl who is soon to be married to Vedant. Sargam feels an instant connection with this stranger and starts having feelings for him. Finally, Sargam breaks off her engagement with Vedant and Sargam and Aman get married. Will Ruhan finally regain his memory and remember his wife Simran and his past life? Meri Doli Tere Angna is a story based on the concept of a struggle of a woman who is totally committed and believes in herself. It's her strength that will stand by her through all her difficult times.